Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Purva Panwalkar and I am a certified career analyst. I am also the founder and owner of Career Drishti. At Career Drishti, I conduct a psychometric test which takes around 40 minutes, followed by a detailed career path analysis as well as a career counseling session for the parents as well as the for the students as well as the parents of students of class 8 to 12, graduate level students and working professionals if you all are looking for a change. So today we will be talking about the section of analysts, where I will be covering three professions. The first is business analysts, the second one are financial analysts, and the third one are the research analysts. So we will be covering what do each of these professions mean, what is their job profile in brief, what are the educational qualifications that each of them requires, followed by the skills and abilities that each of these analysts must possess. Now I will be talking in common about them, but I will explain it in detail as we progress in the video, along with the MBTI personalities that are best suited for the role of each of the business analysts, financial analysts as well as research analysts. So let's get started without any further delay. So let us first talk about business analysts. Who are they and what is their role? So a business analyst is an individual who does the bridging of the gap between the business objectives and the technology solutions. They analyze the business processes, gather requirements and identify the area for improvements, and they closely work with project managers, development teams and all the stakeholders that are involved in this process. We move to the financial analyst, and as the name suggests, a financial analyst focused on the financial data of the organization. They analyze the data, the market trends and investment opportunities. They also assess the financial health of the organization, give recommendations for the necessary investments that are involved, and provide valuable insights to the stakeholders. And they often work in where can they work is banks, investment firms or corporate finance departments is where they can work with. We move on to the third type of analyst called as the research analysts, where they gather and analyze the data, provide insights and support the decision making in different fields of the business. They conduct a market research, perform data analysis and prepare reports on their findings. And they work in industries such as market research firms, consulting companies or research institutions. Now, after having briefly understood what each of these three analysts do, we will talk about what are their educational qualifications. So, for a business analyst, a bachelor's degree in business administration or management or a related field is typically required, along with the additional certifications like the certified business analyst, analysis professional or a CBAP is also recommended. Now these courses are available with Coursera, Simplilearn, etc. If you all wish to have more information on the same, do write to me in the comment section. I'll post the necessary links also down in the comment section, then you all can do a research for yourself on what suits you the best. Then we move to what are the educational qualifications of a financial analyst. So a financial analyst obviously needs to have a graduate degree or a bachelor's degree in finance, accounting, economics or a relevant field, and they can pursue their careers in as a financial analyst. Along with it, certification of a chartered financial accountants analyst for career advancement from the institute, CFA institute also could be is what you could consider after a thorough research. Followed by a research analyst, where a degree in market research, economics, statistics or social sciences could give you a very strong foundation of for the career of a research analysis. And now let's talk about, after the educational qualification, let's talk about the common skills and abilities that each of these professions must have. Obviously, we are talking about analysts. So, understanding the data that you are going to work upon, a basic understanding of the same, followed by analytical skills is obviously good, is obvious requirement, is obviously a must have skill, followed by a problem solving abilities for business analysts are going to be of must. Domain knowledge. Now, domain knowledge is the knowledge in the area or the field that you work upon. This will help you grasp your business or the company that you are working for in a much better way. For financial analysts, having a good financial expertise, good understanding of money handling procedures is of utmost importance. Attention to detail. Technical skills. Now, research skills are some of the common skills that any of these analysts should have, and if you have it in less measures, it is if you wish to grow and climb the ladder of success, developing these skills over a period of time is of utmost importance. Then we move to report writing, collaborations and teamwork skills, and for which communication skills form the basis. So, now like I said, there are some skills with which you can get into the particular job as a entry level job for that particular profession, profession. But if you want to climb up the ladder of success, earn respect, earn money for yourself, then you will need to continuously keep on honing your skills or sharpening the saw, as is told in 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. That is the first skill that you all need to possess. So, if as a business analyst, the career path and the job prospects for each of the profession are, you can start as a junior or associate analyst, move on to a senior business analyst, and go on to becoming a product or a project manager, depending upon what your company does. Similarly, for a research analyst, you have an entry level analyst or a research associate, moving on to senior research analyst or a market research manager or a data analyst is what you could progress to. And as far as the financial analysts are concerned, you could start as a financial analyst, move to senior position, senior financial analysts, or a portfolio manager or an investment analyst as well. So, what are going to be the entry level packages, salary packages for each of them? So, anywhere between 4 to, now these figures are in as far as India is concerned, and according to the current market trends, they could vary depending upon your educational qualifications, city, the company, and there are many more other factors while the recruitment process goes on. So, the average salary of a entry level analyst could vary anywhere between 4 to 12 lakhs per annum. For a financial analyst, it could vary between 5 to 15 lakhs per year, and for a research analyst, it could vary between 3 to 9 lakhs per year. These are all the entry level. The later on, and depends on how you upgrade your skills and the company, the city that you are city as well as the country that you all are staying in, your educational qualifications, etc. So, now we come on to my favorite part, that is the MBTI personalities of each of these types. So, for a business analyst, we have an ISTJ and a ENTJ, where they often excel in these roles, could be the best suited, as they have an eye for detail, they have an analytical mindset, structured approach to make them very well suited in this profession. Then we move on to the MBTI personality of the financial analyst, where again ISTJ and INTJ could be very well suited in the financial careers, where logical thinking, strategic mindset, and ability to analyze complex financial assets are assets in this field rather. So obviously financial assets is what they are going to look after. Then we come to research analysts, where INTPs and ENTPs often thrive in these kinds of careers, where their creativity, curiosity, analytical skills enable them to excel in the data driven research markets. So that is all from me. We come to the end of the video. I hope you all have liked the video. I hope you all have enjoyed the content that I have shared with you. If you all want to know whether any of these analysts role is suitable for you, are you suited for these roles, then you know that you can click on the booking link given down below in the description section and take your appointment right now, so that we could have a career path analysis counseling session before which we will be doing your psychometric test, could be done at the earliest. So you all know the drill. Hit the like button, share it with your friends, family and near and dear ones, and click on the subscribe button followed by the bell icon, so that y'all can get the notification of the video as soon as I make one. So bye bye and have a nice day.